I'm being very deliberate where I choose to cast based on some current seams that I see, slower water next to faster water, and then also where I see some rocks underwater. I'm trying to target my flies to go down either right over or beside those because they're likely fish hiding spots. So like right in there looks really good. It's kind of shaded too, which plays a role too. Let's see if there's not one in this little shaded section. I bet there is. This water just looks too good. Found a nice little riffle. Looks very fishy, and I just caught that nice brown. I am drifting about a 16 pheasant tail, and then also about a 16 caddis pupa underneath a big stonefly dry fly. They don't really expect anything to eat the dry fly, but it's an indicator for the nymphs. And so far we've caught fish on both of the nymphs in pretty shallow water, knee-deep water. Water just like this. It's really ideal for trout to sit in, find a rock and sit behind it and just eat as stuff comes down to it. So I'm going to keep working this riffle, see if there's another one. I'm certain there is. Just a matter of finding them. There he is. Oh, he got off.